Hey guys, what's up? Here's Abhishek again signing in. So welcome back to the channel Technod Abhi, and nice meeting you soon, because now I'm just trying to post videos as frequently as possible. So today we have another interesting unboxing. As you can see, here is a package that arrived few minutes ago only, and we will see what is inside this packet. I bought yesterday itself, and today itself it got delivered. So maybe you guys can guess what this is, looking at the package. This is from the Blue Dart courier service. So let's start our unboxing. So these are not a specific device of anything, but it is basically an accessory that I have bought from, directly bought from Apple website. I have purchased this thing directly from their official site. I just wanted to have an experience from how you get the experience of getting a delivery from the Apple itself. So just I wanted to have that experience, and I was planning to purchase these accessories from the last few days to get some help in my work from home process, because as I am using I basically use an external monitor and setup of a laptop in combination, and it is not always very ergonomically comfortable to work that way. So I just bought a external mouse, Magic Mouse, and a keyboard, Magic Keyboard, to work with my MacBook Air. Also, I just wanted to have an experience of how these keyboards give an experience, and how they are different from any other brand keyboards or mouse for that matter. So let's simply first keep this thing aside. Before going to mouse, let's first unbox this Magic Keyboard itself. So here's the packaging. This keyboard should be very slim, as I've also seen many pictures and videos. The packaging is also quite compact as such. So as you can see, it is very small. It is quite a small packaging, nothing very big. So let's peel the plastic first. How to do it? Go. It's the mouse. Just okay, so we have to pull this. Cool. Let's just pick this up. Oh man, this is ultra lightweight, man. I thought it would be some heavy, because there is some aluminium metal over here, so I thought it should be heavy, but it is quite light, huh? Quite surprising. Nice. Let's just peel this. Man, this is crazy, huh? This is something else, man. What a quality. It is very lightweight. I must say that it is very much lightweight. Let's see what else we get. There are some papers. Do we get a sticker in this like other Apple devices or something? I don't think so. This is little guide for this little keyboard. And yeah, this is what I was most interested in basically than the keyboard itself. Just look at this. There are braided cables now that we get with these accessories. Earlier they were not braided, but now these are braided cables. Wow, supreme quality, as we expected from Apple. Yeah, this is great. So this is basically a lightning to type C, so maybe this lightning side will go into this keyboard over here at the top, and we have a little switch over here. Keys are of nice quality and nice click also they have to it. Travel is not very much, it is quite low travel of keys, but feels nice. And yeah, that also doesn't sleep on the surface due to some this rubber like material that they have used over here. It feels quite steady on the surface. It doesn't move away so easily, just have to apply some force to move them. So while typing it will definitely not move as easily, and that's great. So what we just have some kind of line is over here. This is the on and off button, I guess. Yeah, this is also good quality of, yeah, nice. That is also of nice quality. In many videos I have seen that there is quite differences in the earlier keyboard and this one. So these have this round edges to the keys and the keyboard itself. So earlier one was like still sharpened, but these have this circular over corners over here. We have some different keys over here as compared to its predecessor. And I really don't know because I have not seen that earlier keyboard, but if I compare this to my MacBook keyboard, they are quite different as such, because I have a quite different set of keys, especially these function keys that are here and the one which I have on my MacBook Air. So they are different. Maybe this is the same layout that we get with the current M1 Max that we have that are out there. So maybe they are in relation to that itself. So that is the reason they are different from my current MacBook Air, which is a 2015 early model. So let's keep these things aside for now. Now let's get to the magic mouse that we have done with the magic board over here. Let's have the magic mouse now. This is also very interesting. I just really love the design of this mouse. Let's also have the experience that how it works in practicality. So here we take off the plastic. Let's open this up. Whoa, this is quite hard cover up. Nice. This is interesting too. Great product. Wow, what a design. Such an elegant design it has. There's some straps over here, maybe for some better ergonomics or something. Yeah, this is the thing that I really, most of the people don't like this thing on the mouse, and I'm not too sure that how inconvenient it would be, because I haven't used yet. But let's say in our experience, if it is that inconvenient or that bothering, having this port at the underneath the mouse. So because they're claiming like we on a single charge we get a battery for the month or so, and many people have also experienced it in real life. So maybe that would be not that bothersome, because like in 2 minutes or something it gives a battery of 9 hours. So I don't think so, as per the numbers, it will be inconvenient or bothering to me to use it while charging. I can just keep it for some minutes and it will give a battery of, or say, a day or two at least, for 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see to it. I will not simply pass the judgment because I have heard that. Just I will use it, and if I feel that it is inconvenient or much bothering to have this here, then we will discuss this in the later videos when I will review these two products after my usage. Alright, so this is also quite interesting, man. The quality, man, no doubt about the quality, no complaints whatsoever. Quality is like supreme, the same way that we expect from Apple. Here also we have a switch key over here, so that switches on the mouse and we can switch off. Nice. Let's see what else we get in this here. So again, some papers over here. I think there won't be any Apple stickers here. It's here as well. So this kind should be a guide or something. Warranty, car, regulatory, and all that stuff. Yeah, this is good that we are getting another same braided cable, lightning to USB-C. So lightning side will go inside the mouse, and this will go to the laptop or any kind of charger if you have for this kind of port, with having the C type of port over there. That's pretty much in this case as well. So I will be using a single cable to charge both of them, as they are the same, and I can charge them with my charger that I have. So let's keep these things aside. And so the mouse is good, nice material, very nice feel we have. Not sure how it will be usable on the desk. Let's see. So that's it pretty much, guys. That was a sweet and short unboxing of the two accessories from the Apple. We will discuss in the later videos that should you go for these accessories, because like they are quite expensive. We can't get away with from that fact, even if they have that premium look and everything, but we have to spend that much money, obviously. So there is no getting away from that. So that's it. So that's pretty much for this video. We will have many videos coming up. I also have a surprise coming up next week for you, an interesting unboxing. Maybe it is not first for you guys, but it is very exciting for me, because like I was too eager to get that product as soon as possible. I wanted to get on hands-on on that product, and next week I will be getting that product soon. So stay tuned for that. That unboxing of that product is also coming up. So let me know if you have any queries about these products or any information you want about these products, from where I have purchased it and everything, and how to purchase it, or anything that you need to know about these products. So let me know down in the comments. If you have liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, as this type of interesting videos I will be bringing in future. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you have subscribed, also don't forget to turn on that notifications bell icon, and turn on the all notifications, so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So thank you so much. Take care. See you again. Here's Abhishek signing out. See you guys.